In this video, how to create a case on Salesforce. I will show you step by step how to create a case in Salesforce. First, go to the Salesforce website in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the main menu of the platform. Now click the icon called App Launcher. In the search bar, type Cases. Click the Cases option to open the support section. Now click the New button to create a new case. Enter the subject in the Subject field. Provide the customer name in the Contact Name field. Select the related account for the customer. Now choose the case status. You can select status such as New or Working. Set the priority of the case. Choose Low, Medium, or High Priority. Add a detailed description of the issue. Explain the customer request or problem. Review all the information entered. After that, click the Save button. The case will be created in your Salesforce account. Now you can track the customer support request. This is how you can create a case in Salesforce easily.